Here we have a report from Gizmo China, which I guess is a competitor of Giz China. Isn't that another site which looks almost exactly like this? Anyway, they claim, according to a tipster, that 5,000 milliamp hour batteries and 100 plus fast charging are going to become the mainstream in 2021. That's just going to be, you just expect it in 2021. Now, I assume they're talking about mostly with Chinese smartphone brands based on where, the tipster's origin as well as this particular website. And also the fact that Apple seems to be much slower to adopt these types of technologies. And we already have the spec on the next generation iPhones. It's nowhere near 5,000 milliamp hours and certainly nowhere near 100 plus watts fast charging. Regardless of what you feel about it, I mean, people are critical of super fast charging. My battery's degrading, even though Oppo, Vivo, others will tell you otherwise. Xiaomi, they'll say, no, we tested, we're cooling things down. We got all these moves we make. We're okay. It's fine. Charge fast.
Super VOOC.
Yeah, they're VOOCing all day. But anyways, I presume we're talking about brands here like Oppo, like Vivo, like Xiaomi, possibly even OnePlus and others like that, where I can imagine that this can become the norm. Just how fast we've seen things happen in other specification territories. Look at the scaling of RAM. RAM got ridiculous fast.
Was it 16 gigs now?
Yeah, it feels like we went from 6 gigs. That's a ton. That's a powerhouse right there.
Much.
Up to 16 in like 5 minutes.
Oh.
So as the spec chasing continues, the battery's got to scale up and the recharge got to scale up. Increasingly, that's becoming a huge marketing component for a smartphone. Those video clips float around with the thing recharging in like 7 minutes. It gets people going. They say, well, that's something I can. Plus, I'll say this. People were upset that possibly the next generation iPhone is going to shrink the battery. We covered that on yesterday's show. Battery, to me, as our phones increasingly become our main computing devices, I think battery is that killer feature. And battery is a two-step thing. Battery is how long it lasts, and then how quickly can I top it up? It's those two things. And so once you've used a device that charges it super fast and has a decent battery to go with it, it's very difficult to go the other way.
Yeah.
Because you just got used to it. I have even with this OnePlus, just the warp charge in the car, because my car has an outlet option as well. And sometimes I'll make the mistake of just plugging into the USB port.
Right.
And my phone barely budges. But if I plug into the right port, which is the fast charge port, even in a 10-minute trip, I'm good for a while. And you get really used to that feature. So I would suggest to people who haven't experienced it, give it a look and then talk to me, because in a pinch, when you just need that juice, telling you, feels great.